What you're looking at here is a Lasko ornate spinner, 52-inch. Motor housing, switch housing, canopies are plastic, blades are solid pecan. You're going to see what it does. First, starting on low. The speed sequence is low, medium, high, similar to Casablanca, or Casablanca for you purists. Low speed's a little fast for a 52-inch fan. Going to medium. It has a constant startup and run hum, similar to other Lasko spinners, including Dayton Laskos. Now going to high. See it loud. Like it's buzzing. Figure. Let me turn it off. High speed's about under 200 RPM. Maybe 180, 190, somewhere around that. I don't know if you can, let's turn the light on. I don't know if you can see, there's a wee bit of a reverse switch here. This is the only Lasko spinner that is electrically reversible. The 48-inch, nope. Dayton Laskos, of course not. I think there is a 42-inch version of this fan as well, and I doubt that's reversible. So that makes it unique. Now we're going to start up from high. As you can see, it is quite loud.